Now see next chapter, that is the Newton's laws of motion. See here, in Newton's laws of motion we will be studying about the forces, what is the force and what are the different types of the forces and what are the laws of motion. First see what is force. See, force is a push or pull, that is an external effect which can produce, or you can say effect of this force can produce motion in the body which is at rest, and also force can stop the moving body, that means it can stop or accelerate the moving body, and third one, force can change the direction. So, there are three effect of the force. First one is your produces motion in the body which is at rest. Second one, which can stop or accelerate the motion of a moving body. Third effect is your force, it can change direction of moving body. So, these are the three effects of the forces. Now, let us see Newton's first law of motion. Now, see Newton's first law of motion. Let us see its statement. According to this law, a body continues to be in its state of rest or uniform motion along a straight line unless it is acted upon by some external force to change the state. It means if any body is at rest, suppose there is a body placed on the table like this. If it is at rest, it will remain at rest unless you apply any external force. If you are applying external force, the body may come into motion. Similarly, if the body is moving continuously, it will keep on moving with the uniform velocity unless any external force acts. Similarly, if the body is moving in one direction, it will keep on moving in one direction unless an external force is applied to change its direction. So, this is the first statement of the Newton's first law of motion.